In today's digital world, having a strong password is crucial to keep your account secure. Here are 3 simple tips to create a complex yet memorable password. Tip 1. Use a passphrase. Combine several unrelated words into a long phrase. For example, blue sky dancing monkey is easy to remember and very strong. Tip 2. Mix different types of characters. Include upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. For instance, blue sky 76 dancing monkey, chart. Tip 3. Avoid using personal information. Stay away from birthdays, names, and common words. Instead, use a password generator for the most secure results. By following these simple tips, you can create a strong password that helps protect your personal information online. Stay safe online. Reach out to 76services.co.uk for further advice.